Don't buy that, buy this instead. I've always loved home fragrance, but my old candles and wax melts just weren't very strong. The scent didn't last long, and to be honest, they were a little bit plain. These Sassy Shop wax melts come in hundreds of scents and are literally so easy to use. You just pop one piece in your burner, light your tea light, and within minutes your home smells incredible. Also covered in glitter and super colourful and have really playful designs, so they look amazing in my burner and home. Sassy have a 30-day money-back guarantee, which basically means if you don't think you can smell them and if you don't think they're strong enough, which let's be honest, they definitely are, then you can return them within 30 days and get a full refund. I'm so glad I tried Sassy, and you can too on sassyshopwax.com.